Hey, what's up? Oh my gosh. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up? Hello, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a while since I've made a video. I went camping with my family, and honestly, I don't have a lot of setting up to do in my room until we get like our class list and we know our official plan. Minnesota did announce that it's going to be up to districts to decide, and they kind of gave their guidelines, whether you want to be in person, a hybrid, or distance learning. And I live in a more rural area, so I feel like we'll either be in person or a hybrid. So we'll find out here probably within the next week or two. If it's in person, I think I'll be able to leave my classroom how it is so far. Kids would have to wear masks, but we wouldn't have to social distance. But if you're a hybrid, then you do have to social distance. But if we have to social distance, I think I would actually be fine because I'd only have 11 or 12 kids, so I could spread them out around the tables and make it work. So I don't know, just kind of anxious to hear what our plan is and what we can and can't have, as far as, because I've heard some people say they can't have like classroom libraries because kids would, you know, touching the same books. I've heard that some can't have any material that, you know, like a soft fabric and stuff like that. So I don't know any of that stuff yet, and I can't really do anything else in here until I know that. But I am here today. That was almost awkward. Somebody walked into my room to fix my speaker, and I quickly threw my camera down, and then there's the mask mandate, so you have to wear a mask in the hallway, and then if you're in the room with somebody else, so I had to put my mask on and then just acted busy while they fixed my speaker, I guess. So we're back. Sorry for that abrupt cut out there. So I'm here because I have like an hour to kill, now like 40 minutes to kill. And one thing that we did that I can show you, since I don't have anything to do for setup wise, is we get to spend $150 every year on classroom supplies, and my stuff from Amazon came, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. If you have requests for any videos that you want me to make, since I don't have a lot of setting up to do anymore and until I can do more, let me know in the comments please, because again, I'm new to this, so I don't have a lot of ideas. So for now, I'll show you what I got with my money this year. Quick side note, I tried to get a smaller table than the square one I used to have, because the one that I had before was super tall, like taller than my third graders. Got this one from Amazon, but it's too small, so I'm gonna return it and get something a little bit bigger. So if you see this in the background, that will be changing. All right, first thing that I got this year with my money is 30 of these whiteboard clipboards. Let's see if I can get this opened up while filming. I've had these before, love them. I used them for 2 years last time. Oh, look at that, as I say, I love them. This one's broken. But other than that, I used them for 2 years, and then I would just kind of replace them because, you know, they do get worn. Okay, there we go. The rest of them look good. That one is broken, but anyways, so whiteboard clipboards was super convenient with flexible seating, just because they'd have both their whiteboard for like math with them at all times, and also just their own clipboard so they can move around the room. If we are in person and they can't share supplies, this will be really handy because they can just keep this in their bin. We don't ever have to share these, and they will always have it good to go with them. In the past, I've used my Cricut to put vinyl down here so they know whose is whose, but honestly, I might just print and tape. I feel like just printing off their names and taping is faster and easier, so we'll see how I'm feeling when it comes up. But I did get 30 of these. Right now I think I have like 22 students or so I'll have a couple left over. I mean, clearly we had one broken already anyways. But like I said, I did use these for 2 years and loved them, but they do get a little worn, so it's not like they're gonna last you like 5 years. I probably could have gone 3 with them, but I ended up letting the kids keep them that year as their end of the year gift, and now I just got more. So I think like 30 of these was probably like $50. Up next, we got some Sharpies. I just try to think of things that I end up buying randomly throughout the year that aren't super cheap. Like Sharpies aren't. The colored ones usually are more for me, but I do like having these ones for students to use on certain like projects. Anyways, we don't have them get Sharpies as part of their school supply list, so I think this will be nice to have just so I won't have to go buy them on my own whenever I do want to use them. So those two things will be, I don't know, you can never ever have too many Sharpies. Up next is this. If you can have lamps in your room, this might be a game changer for you. Is honestly, I want to say only like 20 bucks. I saw someone post about it on Instagram. I think it was Create and Educate Desiree. Yes, it was her. So it is a remote control for your light sockets. So it comes with 5 of these. So if I plug this into the socket and then plug it into the lamp, then the remote control will turn it on. So if you had lamps around your room, like for her, she has a video where she just takes her remote at her desk and goes click, 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 instead of having to walk around and turn on all the lamps. So I'm excited for these. I'm not 100% sure if we'll be able to have lamps anymore. And if we can't, then I'll find other use for them. But I feel like this will be pretty cool. Our next item, Mr. Sketch markers. Again, just you can never have too many markers. And Mr. Sketch markers are the best for anchor charts. I have terrible handwriting, but at least there's cool colors then, and they smell good. So I had to get a big pack, just that way I don't have to buy them throughout the year, hopefully. This next one's not super exciting, but I got some dice. A lot of times for our math games, I only have like 6-sided die, and sometimes they ask for 12 if it's like a multiplication game. So I just decided to order some. That way I have them if we need them. Up next, we have sticky notes. Now, we do have sticky notes down in our office that we can grab, but they only have yellow, and I feel like they don't stick very well. Like if you try to put them up to a wall or on a bulletin board, they always fall off, and you end up having to reinforce them with tape, which kind of defeats the purpose. So I got some of these just because they're the super sticky ones. Oops, there we go. And we just have all the colors. So yeah, another school supply you could never have too many of. Especially with our reading series we have Fountas and Pinnell, and we just got it last year. They want them to have like a reading notebook where they can like find evidence or examples of whatever your mini lesson was in the book that they're reading, and a lot of it's like sticky notes, like hey, write on sticky note and put in your reader's notebook. So these will come in handy for that. Last but not least, all of the pipe cleaners. These are actually to share with the whole entire grade level. We do this for our economics, like the kids have to come up with a product that they want to sell, and they actually have to end up making it, and then we go around and they sell it. Like every kid gets $5 fake to spend, and pipe cleaners is a pretty popular material that they use for those. And again, we don't want to have to buy it with our own money, so we're trying to, take advantage of this $150 that we do get at the beginning of the year for supplies that we would end up buying throughout the year. So these will be awesome. But anyways, yeah, I mean, $150 doesn't go too far, but I'm pretty excited for this stuff. I think it'll be good. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Give me some suggestions, because I definitely want to keep trying to make videos and posting more regularly. Classroom setup was what I knew I could do, and obviously I don't have a lot to do yet. So give me some ideas in the comments, please, and I will make some throughout the week. All right, see you next time. Thanks, bye.